Unit 1. My Family and Me. Chapter 1. Our Family. Paste your photograph here. This is me. My name is Reema. My address is 401 Mittal Tower, near Prashant Corner, Thane West. I study in class 2. My school's name is Vidya Niketan. Paste your family photograph here. This is my family. My father is an officer in bank. My mother is a teacher. I have no brother and one sister. I speak Marathi at home. Rohit's family. We live with our family. A family can be a small, big, or joint family. I am Rohit. Rita and I live with our parents. Rita is my sister. We are a small family. Mohan and Asha live with their parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousins in the same house. They live in a big or joint family. We are growing. Paste your own baby photograph here. When I was born, I was a baby. My mother had to feed me and look after me. Look at me now. Now I am a child. I am 7 years old. I can eat, I can bathe all by myself. Now I go to school also. I shall grow and become an adult like my father. Later on, I shall grow old like my grandfather. My sister will also grow up and become an adult like my mother. Later on, she will grow old like my grandmother. Family life. Family life is fun whether we live in a small, big, or joint family. As members of a family, everyone helps with the housework. We children also help our parents by doing small jobs. We help our mother in the kitchen. We water the plants and help to keep the house clean. We keep our books and clothes in order. We help our grandparents and enjoy going for walks with them. We must always show respect towards our elders.